Hello everyone, this is V Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. This video is a feature for ScrapDivaDesigns.com. I'm featuring her oven mini album die set. This is the die here. You get so many layering pieces, the base, multiple layering pieces. You also get the recipe card. You also get the burners here, as well as the front of the oven, as well as a word piece that says recipes, and you get the back layer for that as well. I'm also using the mini heart alpha and number die set. I'm also using the baking barcode stamp and die set. I'm also using, this is sold out already, it is the pocket and line detail bundle. That's a great one. I'm also using the utensils. The utensil one I believe is two-piece. Yeah, it's number 2 kitchen utensil set. Comes with 14 pieces. And I'm also using a cupcake one. So this is the mini album here. I made the oven look like a cupcake shop, and so it says sweet cupcake. I'm also using some cut files from my Silhouette Design Store machine and I also use multiple Maggie Holmes collections. So you'll see Garden Party, you'll also see Carousel here, so, and others as well. So I did mix and match a lot. So this is the first page here, and as you know, all of my mini albums are interactive, very busy, and I just love having pockets and having tons of die cuts in them, and journaling cards as well. So everything is made from scratch. Here I made one of these ribbon clips that I also made for my Christmas mini album, and I'll have that linked below. So I enjoy those so much. I also included lots of French knots in this, and most of it is machine stitching. So all of the cut files will be listed in the description below. So as you can see here, I have the cupcake on the left. This is a cherry. The cherry comes in the cupcake die set from ScrapDiva Designs. And I also have a large paper clip there, and the picks are also handmade by me. And I'm also using some ScrapDiva dies with that as well. So here's the large paper clip. It comes with a charm. It's a strawberry milk charm. I believe Soleil, she gifted me that. I will have her linked below. So here's a strawberry pick that I made with the cupcake die set from ScrapDiva. The recipes sentiment comes with the oven mini album die set. So these are journaling cards, as well as you could add a picture here. You can also add your recipe here as well. So in the front of the pocket, there is a space there for journaling or adding your pictures. And so I just thought this was such a cute idea for cupcakes. So if you have a little session with the kiddos or some family members for a cupcake making night, you can add all of your pictures here, as well as the recipes you used, and great for memories as well. So moving on to the next page, I am using the pocket, and no, not the pocket, the numbers die set. It's called Mini Heart Alpha die set that says cupcake on the top. This pick here was made using a die from my stash. I will have that linked below. So it is a slice of cake. This cupcake die cut here is ScrapDiva Designs. It's from the cupcake die. I will have it linked below. I do have multiple pockets here. I also included the recipes word piece die set from ScrapDiva. I'm using a cut file, strawberry jam jar here, so I will have that link below. That is also Silhouette. So in the back is a die from my stash. I will have it linked below. It's a fairly old die, so I'm not even sure if it's available. I added a large paper clip here to add some recipes, to add journaling, also to keep in some pictures if needed. If you see the heart at the bottom is the area where you could tuck some pictures in, or you can also glue a picture on top of the pocket there. So, and then it says recipe there. There's some machine stitching there. And so, yeah, I just love how everything turned out. I love that Maggie Holmes paper collection matches every collection, so you can mix and match there. There is a pic of a chef's hat. That's also ScrapDiva. Here is a cut file from the Silhouette Design Store. It's a bowl, mixing bowl. I added a paper clip. I made that paper clip cupcake there using a die from my stash. So here's a mixer cut file, and that one is also Silhouette, which I will have it linked below. So this is cupcake theme, and you're going to get all of the utensils and tools needed to make cupcakes here. And I just thought it was cute to have everything together. So if you see the background of this page, it is ScrapDiva. It's made with the kitchen utensils. I think it's number 2, comes 14 pieces, so I am using a few of those pieces there. I'm going to put everything back here really fast, and hope you like that page. I just love it. I added a ladybug to the jam jar. The next page over, I have a cut file from the Silhouette Design Store of a cupcake pocket, as well as an oven mitt. I made some tags using the baking barcode stamp and die set from ScrapDiva, and I added these dies just in case the person who receives this would like to gift their cupcakes that they're making, so they have some tags. So that is a dough roller, and it's a cut file as well. So here's the cupcake. I added the handmade ribbon paper clip with some charms and some stickers on it. So journaling pieces as well as photo pieces. And here's the oven mitt in the back. So I just want to show you the paper clip real quick. But the oven mitt here, oh, it's so cute. I think it's the cutest thing for journaling and pictures and recipes. And paper clips are there for recipes as well, to clip them in, and pockets as well to insert anything that you would like, pictures, journaling, and recipes. So you can also journal on the back page as well. So here's the oven mitt made with the ScrapDiva Designs die set. And the strawberry card is from the Silhouette Design Store. I will have that linked below. I just love the chef's hat. It's so cute. You could add journaling and a picture there. It would be so cute. In the back, more recipes there. And as you can see, the background there is a cherry. It's all stitched on the page. I made this paper clip of a donut because it had that strawberry there. I just loved it. And then this one here is the chocolate, piece of chocolate. I believe Soleil gifted me that, or Geneva. I will have them both linked below. So there's the cupcake pocket where you could insert all of the journal pieces that I included, and all of the pockets as well. Well, this almost concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed this mini album. I'm going to share the back of I also wanted to utilize the back cover as well, so if you wanted to add more recipes or journaling there, you can do that. So here is the I believe this one is called, I'm not sure, it is the apron, I think, stamp and die set. I also included some paper clips that I made, as well as some die cut circle pieces here that you can add pictures to, and you can glue them throughout the mini album. And there's a pocket there and a little tuck spot as well. And this is the last, and I hope you enjoyed that. And be sure to check out all of the links below. There is a discount code for you. That's V10%. That's VEE10%. Bye.